Welcome to Guangdong, KELIAN Electrical Appliance Company Limited. We are a professional supplier and exporter, which concern with design, development, and production of electric kettles and a series of small household electrical appliances. KELIAN was founded in 2011, which is located in the famous electric kettle city, Lianjiang, China, which covering an area of more than 18,000 square meters, with convenient transportation access. All of our products comply with international quality standards, which are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We now have almost 400 employees, and we can produce over 7.2 million pieces of electric kettle per year, and 70% products accessories are produced by ourselves. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Besides, we have received international CCC, CE, CB, SAA, and GS certification. Because of our qualified products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network, which in Southeast Asia and Western Europe, Africa, South America, middle area of the U.S. We trust that your success is our success. We promise to supply both competitive price and professional service to you. We are looking forward to your cooperation.
KELIAN focus on electric kettle. We are looking forward to your cooperation.